A multi-tool. Let us see what it is and what are the functions. Okay, so let me unbox. This is from Amazon, nicely packed, you can see. All right, okay. Very well packed. Okay, hope it doesn't damage. Wow, great. You can see what do we have. Okay, let me keep this box aside. And I got bill. Price is 340 rupees. Hope you can see. So we have a pouch here. It's a nice pouch, as you can see in motorcycles. Wow, good for gripping. Okay, here we can see some deadly weapon, right? Let me open this. Wow, this is quite heavy. Wow, this is nice. Good. This is not lightweight, it's heavy, so I think it's going to be functional and not break. Okay, so let's see what all do we have right here. So we can see an axe here, right? We can see the hammer. Okay, axe. Okay, so let me open this. Okay, right, so I guess this is a plier, this one, and here we can see the wire cutter. Hope you can see this. Yeah, this is wire cutter. And let me open the tools inside this hand tool kit. So this is called as hand tool kit. Okay, so this is kind of a cutter, maybe for cutting vegetables if you go for camping, traveling, right, or for some other purpose. Then this is a bottle opener. You can see bottle opener, so you can party. This is a screwdriver. Okay, so I hope you can see this screwdriver, right? Screwdriver. Then we have got axe. This is a wood saw. If you go for camping, that's very useful. And we have a knife, right? So let me spread them nicely so that we can see all the tools that we have right now. Okay, so we have a cutter, this is a bottle opener, screwdriver, this is a wood saw, a knife, and here we have got wire cutter, this is a plier, and this is a hammer, and this is an axe. Oh, okay, so this is very heavy, so I can see from the handling that it's really good. I mean, the quality is really good. It's not a lightweight or any cheap kind of thing, though it's very cheap. It's just for 340 rupees. Okay, and what it is called, as you can see here, generic and also multifunctional hammer, axe, hand tool kit, plier, knife, screwdriver, can, bottle opener, wood saw. For home, you can use in home, you can use for travel or camping or picnic purposes, right? So the price is just 340. And along with that, I also bought few more items, few more tools. I haven't yet received them, so once I receive, I'll make another video for both of them. The first one is snap and grip. It's a universal wrench. I saw the videos, I saw the reviews. It's really good. So I'll make a video, then share my experience with that. And the second one is adjustable universal wrench. So you can fix the tap or anything like bigger in size, so 30 mm to 60 mm, right? So I'll make videos of these two, and here you have your lovely strong multi-purpose tool, multi-tool. Okay, right. So for more videos, you don't forget to subscribe, share this video, like the video, and you can press the bell icon if you want to have reviews of other items that I'll be buying in future. Okay, so have a good day, have a good multi-tool. Thanks for watching.